This is the time for panettone. Nearly everybody had it at home, especially now in the Christmas time. Somebody brings it just as a small gift because you got an invitation for a nice dinner. What I want to do now is I want to make a panettone bread pudding. If you're interested and you never heard about this, or you heard about this and you just want to make it by yourself but you don't know how, join the journey. I will show you how. This is what we need. The panettone, zest from an orange. You can actually use lemon if you want, if you prefer it. 3 eggs, a good handful of almonds, easier with almond flakes. I prefer to crash them. Amaretto, brown sugar, it's just caramelizing better in my point of view, and milk. Let's get started. Good sprinkle of brown sugar. It's just nice for the caramelization. This shortly on side. What we have to do now, we're bringing the milk to a boil together with the zest of the orange. Don't go too deep, the white stuff is bitter. What you should know is, if you're using the zest of a lemon, of an orange, try to use an unboxed one. If you have a boxed one, it will not kill you. Wash them under Priel. It works. So, on side, bring it to a boil. The star of our dish, panettone. 2 to 3 centimeter slices around this. Panettone is sliced, even in triangles. Now we have to sort it in. We're just placing it over each other. So, like this. Squeeze it in. Don't worry, you will anyway fulfill the form completely. So, egg piece, small one here, like this. We take in, again, almonds. It gives us the wonderful crunch. I was hiding something. Milka, full milk, nut, whatever you want. Make small pieces, just drizzle them inside. It's very tasty. I'm using Oreo, just by the way. Don't tell my wife I'm cheating with chocolate. I will use a little bit more as actually needed, but it tastes just good. Amaretto. You just made a thump on top and drizzle it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Ooh. Milk is cooked just for a few seconds. We don't want too much foam. I took it from the oven. I want to cool it down to rest, because we have to combine it with the eggs. If we would put the eggs now inside, or the milk inside the eggs, we would scramble the eggs, and we don't want scrambled eggs. We want a wonderful panettone bread pudding. Ich glaub, ich wär ein Huhn, ich hätt nicht viel zu tun. Ich lege mal ein Ei und sonntags auch mal 2. Naja, jetzt 3. You don't have to do what I'm doing here right now. You can make it without. I would recommend to do it. I like the taste, it's more intensive. The upper layer, I will put salted butter on top. It gives just the extra kick, and it's working with the chocolate and with the amaretto just fine. Just a thin layer, nothing special, like you would do on your sandwich or your bread in the morning. So the milk is cooled down to around 40 degrees. We have to add it now, continually whisking, step by step, not all in once, it's still too warm for it. Shot by shot, mix it up. Just until everything is inside. Milk is finished, mixed inside. Looks fine so far, no clumps. Let it rest 5 to 10 minutes and then we can add it to the panettone. Half of it you can take your hands or just a few tools. So press it. The half of the egg milk mix is now inside the panettone. Now comes around 50 milliliters, well, or a little bit more, of amaretto in the rest of it. Short whisk, let it stay. The side down. Oh, can make it a little bit closer. So. Press it a little bit down. Now the rest is coming. Yeehaw! Ta-da! Pressed, formed, put it on side 10 to 30 minutes until everything is soaked inside the panettone. In meantime, you can heat up the oven 180 degrees. When the temperature is reached and we are ready, I will show you the next steps. Small tip, the smaller tray in the bigger tray. 60 degrees water, no need to cook it. Fill it around the half of the size from the pot where you put the panettone inside. Taka. 35 to 45 minutes. Check the water. In meantime, it could be that it's getting drastically reduced in the oven. Not that you're running out of water, you will need it. So we're covering it up. You can use aluminium foil if you don't have a glass cover like I. Like I said, 35 to 45 minutes. Then we're taking it out, taking the glass cover up, coming with a little bit of sugar and more almonds, more 10 minutes, and then we're finished. That's it. Oh. Crunchy top, soft inside. Look here. Oh. This is what you have to expect. Jiggly glick, jiggly glick, jiggly glick. But still, the crunch from the crust. Oh, on the point. But I want to test something. I know, not what it's supposed to be, but I'd have to go fast. Second test. Ah. Boy, I was not expecting that the orange is coming so through, but it's bombastic. In the background, the amaretto, the crunch from the sugar, the caramel, the chocolate slightly. You know what? I will just finish the plate. I hope you could enjoy what you saw. I hope you will try it by yourself. If you liked the video, please do us a favor, give a thumb up, eventually join our channel to support us, to continue cooking with us, share ideas. What is not for you is not for you. What is coming to you is coming to you. Just enjoy. See you soon.